Good day everyone. Let us see few more basic sums in vectors. Okay. Find a vector of magnitude 5 units parallel to the resultant of the vectors. A vector is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap minus k cap and b vector is equal to I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. First you should know the meaning of this resultant. Okay. Resultant means actually it is sum of the vector. That is what it means. So first a vector is given. Let us write a vector is equal to 2i cap plus 3j cap minus k cap. B vector is equal to I cap minus 2j cap plus k cap. Let us find the resultant, which is a vector plus b vector. You add it, you will get 3i cap plus j cap. That minus k and plus k will cancel each other. So this is your a vector plus b vector. Let me name it as some c vector. This is actually the resultant. Okay, yeah? Resultant of a vector and b vector. So we have got that c vector. Now you want a vector of magnitude 5 units parallel to this resultant vector. First I will find a vector of magnitude 1, that is unit vector, which is parallel to the given vector. That is easy for me. So c cap is the unit vector. Unit vector means its modulus is 1, which is parallel to this c vector. So c cap, you know the formula. It is c vector by mod c vector. So I can write it as 3i cap plus j cap by root of 9 plus 1. So I will get 3i cap plus j cap by root 10. This is the c cap. What is the magnitude here? 1. But what magnitude you want? You want 5 units. So just you have to find 5 c cap. Okay. So 5 into 3i cap plus j cap by root 10. This is what you want. But always it is better to rationalize the denominator because no, the root thing, if you keep it in the numerator, that is the proper format. So let me multiply both the numerator and denominator by 1 root 10. So I will get root 10 into root 10 is 10. 5 by 10 will become 1 by 2 for me. So I will get root 10 by 2 into 3i cap plus j cap. This is the vector which is 5 in magnitude and which is parallel to the resultant of the two given vectors. Is this sum clear to you? Now let us see the sum number 2. The vertices A and B of triangle ABC are 2, 1, 3 and 0, minus 1, 2. The centroid G is 1, minus 2, 4. Find the vertex C. So let us just draw a rough figure of a triangle. Okay. So this is A, this is B, this is C. This A is given to be 2, 1, 3. B is given to be 0, minus 1, 2. We don't know C. We can take it as some x, y, z, right? I have taken the C as some x, y, z. You know G is the centroid. What is the centroid? Centroid is the point of concurrence of the medians of the triangle. Okay. You have got a formula for the centroid. You know that OG vector is equal to A vector plus B vector plus C vector by 3 if it is given in the vector format. Otherwise, if it is given in Cartesian, you know, that is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, z1 plus z2 plus z3 by 3. So, you should know that basic formula. So, now the centroid is given to be 1, minus 2, 4. Okay. So, G is 1, minus 2, 4. And this A point, that is 2, 1, 3. This is like our x1, y1 and z1. The B point is given to be 0, minus 1, 2. This is nothing but x2, y2 and z2. C, that is what we want to find. That is x, y, z, which is like your x3, y3 and z3, right? So now you know this one, that is the x coordinate, that will be equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. So that will be 2 plus 0 plus x by 3. So if you cross multiply, you will get x is equal to 3 minus 2. So you will get x is equal to 1, right? Similarly, come to the y coordinate. Minus 2 is equal to, see the y coordinate here, 1 plus minus 1 plus y by 3. This and this will go. So you will straight away get y is equal to minus 6. Come to the z coordinate here, 4. That will be equal to 3 plus 2 plus z. So by 3. So you will get here you will get 5 plus z is equal to 12. And z is equal to 12 minus 5, 7. So the vertex C is nothing but 1 comma minus 6 comma 7. So they can give the 3 vertices and ask you the centroid. That is very straight. Here they have given 2 vertices and the centroid, and you are finding the third vertex. Is this clear to you? Now a bit of similar sum let us see. That is the sum number 3 we are going to do now. There is a circle given, right? In that, the center of a circle is given to you. The center of the circle is given to be 2i cap minus j cap plus k cap. Then one end of the diameter, okay, they have given you one end of the diameter, or it is called one extremity of the diameter, that is given to be I cap plus j cap minus 3k cap. You have to find the other end of the diameter. You have to find the other end of the diameter. Let us just draw a rough figure here. This is the center. Let me draw one diameter. This I will take it as C. One end is A, the other end is B, right? Now you all know that C, the center of the circle, is the midpoint of the diameter. You know that fact, you have to use it. Now A is given to be, one end is I cap plus j cap plus minus 3k cap. I can take it as 1 comma 1 comma minus 3. This center is given to be 2i cap minus j cap plus k cap. I can write it as 2 comma minus 1 comma 1. Now you want B, let us take it as x, y, z. Any vector coordinates, vector form, you can write it using Cartesian coordinates, and if it is given in Cartesian, you can write it in the vector form. So now here you have to use the midpoint formula. You know the midpoint formula, right? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, z1 plus z2 by 2. If you are going the vector way, you can use that also. A vector plus b vector by 2. Whichever is easier for you, you can use. I am using now the Cartesian way. So now I will write here the C, that is the x coordinate I will write 2. That will be equal to x plus 1 by 2. I will first write C is the midpoint and then I will proceed. So I will get now x is equal to 4 minus 1. So my x will become 3 for me. Then coming to the y coordinate, I will get minus 1 is equal to 1 plus y by 2. So I will get y is equal to minus 2 minus 1, which is minus 3. This will be my y. Coming to the z part, I will get 1 is equal to minus 3 plus z by 2. So the z will be, this is 2, that will become plus, so I will get 5. So that the point B is nothing but 3 comma minus 3 comma 5. Do you understand the 3 sums? So we have done few basics in the previous video, and in this video let us see some more sums in the next video. Thanks for watching the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon so that you will get notifications of further videos.